Hello everyone, it's Ocean here, and today we're not making a video. Perhaps I will show you if you're streaming on Twitch, all you streamer out there. Well, I'm also a streamer, but I don't stream that much. But anyways, if you're using the Streamlab OBS, and let's say you're just recording your game, that's great, but somehow you say you want to stream on your desktop or your display capture. As you can see here, I have my display capture, and if I go to property in this guy, it is selected on the screen, this display, but however, it's black. Now I'm gonna show you how to fix it. So before you go to search and open up your graphics setting and try to fix it from there, so there we go. You know, graphics setting and everything. You can say, oh, take a look. You put your Streamlab OBS at high performance. You should change that from option and change it to power saving. No, you don't need to do that. That's absolutely, well, maybe you do, but first, you shouldn't do that. What you should do first is go to your Streamlab OBS, click on setting. Yep, wait for it. Go to advanced and take a look at the video section. Take a look at this. Force GPU as render device. So even though, let's say you go to your graphics setting and change the graphics option from high performance to power saving, so the internal graphics card, not your NVIDIA whatever graphics card is, it's still not gonna work because in the Streamlab OBS studio setting, you're forcing to use the GPU. So what you should do is uncheck this. Click done, close your Streamlab OBS. Oh, and that's OBS Studio. That's how I record this video. So now, just to prove to you, in the graphics setting, it's still high performance. But wait for it. Wait for it. I'm gonna open up Streamlab OBS again, and there we go. Almost there. Almost there. Almost there. Almost. One more second. Maybe two more. Come on, Streamlab OBS, you could do this. It's a lot slower than usual. That's really weird. It should really be faster. There we go, you got your display. Even though in your graphics setting, you're using the high performance. And that's just because for Streamlab OBS, they really make your life a lot easier if you didn't select forced to use the GPU as a rendering device in the advanced setting. So remember, in the future, if you ever want to record your display in Streamlab OBS, just go to the setting under Advanced, under Video, unselect Force GPU as Render Device, and that's all you have to do. Well, of course, you have to restart Streamlab OBS, but that's the easy part. All right? So this is it for today's video. If you find this helpful, definitely click the like button down below so I know I actually help you guys. Subscribe to the channel if you'd like to see more of a helpful video, or maybe just watch some of my gameplay. And if you want to follow me on Twitch, link in the description too. And I'll see you next time. Bye bye.